Good morning everyone, welcome to Paulie's little man shed here at New Park. I'm just going to demonstrate how to make a solitary beehive. Very important little beehive this is, but it's very simple, very easy to do. All you need is three things, and that is a saw, a bit of string, a log. So there's actually four things, and a drill to make some holes, and it's very easy to do. And these solitary beehives are really important for our pollinators, and solitary bees are really important. And the different types of little solitary bees, such as miners and leafcutters and so on. And so I'm just going to demonstrate how to make one. Now I know I've got some modern equipment here, but anything will do. And all I've got here is a piece of log here. This is a little bit of silver birch, which I'm going to cut, and hopefully we can then cut these into little segments, and then and I'll show you how to do it. So my wonderful assistant here, Hayden, is going to do the filming, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do it this side here. Okay, now there's going to be a lot of noise, and just bear with us. So here we are, a little bit of log here, and I'm going to do another one. Two variations of just a bit of log. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to drill in some holes in here, and I only want to drill so far down, okay, but enough that we can do some holes elsewhere as well. So here we go. So I'm going to put this into a vise. So I'm going to work one end, and I'll show you what I do. So there we go. We've made some holes there. They're deep enough for the leaf or the solitary bee will go in, and it will lay an egg in there, and then it will seal itself up in there. Okay, and put a waxy sort of cover on there. Now it may not happen in the first year. You may be lucky, you may not. In the second year, you're more likely you will get some bees in there, and you'll soon start to see that I'll seal it up. Now these need to go in the most sunniest places you can find. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to make some holes in this end as well, and maybe put a few holes just along the middle side. Okay. As you can see, I've only gone in that depth, and that's about enough. And that's about enough as that we want. Okay. So there we are, we've done some more holes, get the soot and dust out of it, and that is some nice holes there for our solitary bees. And I'm going to put a few more around here as well, and I know that we've gone in about that far in there, so I just want to do some along here.